Britton here from MSD Auto Finish. Today we're going to be doing a competition motorsports roll cage install on our 981 GT4. I just wanted to make this video because there's not really a good install video out there for this specific part on this GT4. And so we're going to be walking you through that process today, showing you how that's done, and we're going to have a good clean install.
I've learned from my mistakes, and I'm trying to make it better. But I'm only human. Some days it's hard to move on, so I keep fighting every day. I don't blame myself. I've learned from my mistakes, and I'm trying to make it better. But I'm only human. Some days it's hard to move on.
Okay guys, so we have the roll cage fully installed now, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys how that looks and where all of the mounting points are. This install only took us probably about an hour total to do. It might take a little bit longer if you haven't taken out most of the interior parts yet, but we already had everything all disassembled because we're doing stealth PPF on the car. So it was honestly pretty quick and easy for us. We didn't take out the seats. You can take out the seats. It's going to make it a little bit easier if you do. It's going to give you a little bit more room, but ultimately you can put this roll cage in without taking out the seats. So I'm just going to show you guys how that looks now. So we have one bolt here that you're going to have to take off. We have another one behind this carpet that's going to be a Torx, and then that's pretty much it for right there. And then you have just these two bolts on the strut tower here. Same thing on the other side, and then all of the necessary hardware for the roll cage. It's going to be bolts on both sides, for up there, and then these for up here. I'll show you guys how that looks on this side. So you have one bolt that goes up there, and then two more over here, there and there. But honestly, overall, this is pretty easy. It looks great from the back. You know, you're gonna have just that crossbar similar to the cup style, and then you are going to have to cut out some points in your carpet. This was done by a Porsche dealership, and you're going to have one cut out in the middle here, and then another one on that side, and then this side of the carpet is going to go under the roll bar. Same thing on the other side, and then this goes over, and then you just reinstall all of the trim and you're good to go. And this matches really well with the rest of our interior. You know, we have the yellow seat belts, yellow stitching. We're going to be installing a yellow Sport Chrono up there. We have the door cards taken out right now, but we have a lot of yellow stitching on the door cards. So ultimately, this looks really, really nice with the rest of the stuff that we have in the interior. And I'm just going to show you guys a few B-roll clips of how that looks. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was really informative on how to install the Competition Motorsports roll cage in your Porsche 981 GT4. If you guys have any questions, put them in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to answer those for you. And stay tuned for more content from us.